Hello and welcome. In this demo, I'll be showing you how GPT Apps Engine create 100% white-labeled generative AI apps in 60 seconds without writing a single line of code or hiring anyone. With the help of GPT Apps Engine you can AI your entire business or sell AI apps to marketers, creators, local business owners and charge thousands of dollars a pop. All you have to do is choose an app from 225 plus done for you software app templates, and GPT Apps Engine will do the rest for you by personalize every detail: prompts, style, tone, deploy anywhere, serve clients, run a profitable AI agency with 100% white labeled license. Now, let's jump in. This is the GPT Apps Engine dashboard. Here, you'll find total apps you have created, leads generated, watch demo video. You can mark your favorite super apps for quick access and even view on live from the dashboard. We've also added some quick links for easy navigation. At the top left, you'll find the workspace section where you can see all your workspaces or add a new one. And on the bottom right, there's the language option, letting you switch the app to your preferred language. Alright, let's create a new app for you. You have two options. Create an app from 225 done for you templates, or start from scratch. Let's go with a template. You'll find 225 templates across 16 categories, designed to cover the top niches and business needs. These templates are pre-built by our intelligent engine to save you time and effort. Let's take a quick look at the categories. Alright, I'll select the email category and create a product launch announcement app. Here's how it works. Update the profile details or keep them as they are. Answer category-specific questions tailored to your chosen template. You can edit the questions, adjust response types, mark them as required or optional, add new ones, or remove any. Next, customize your app's appearance style. Once everything is set, choose the final action you want for your app. Display the app-generated response, redirect users to a specific link, or show a thank you message. Finally, hit the launch button and your app is ready. Now, you might be wondering, how will my app look? We're now on the app listing page. Here, you'll notice 3 dots next to each app. Clicking on these gives you several options. Edit the app. Copy the embed code. Duplicate the app. Add it to a super app. Or even move it to another workspace. Let's move ahead and create a super app. Click on Create New Super App. Customize the super app's profile details. Update the footer branding and policy pages. Select one or more apps to include in your super app. Once that's done, hit the Launch Super App button. Your super app is now ready to deploy. Click here to preview it and see how it looks in action. Here are your super apps. You can start delivering services to coaches, creators, marketers, agencies, consultants, local business, and make yourself an AI apps expert without writing a single line of code and charge any amount you want. Offer customized AI tools for industries like healthcare, education, e-commerce, and leverage AI to solve real-world problems without any technical skills. You can buy, creating and selling unlimited, white-labeled generative AI super apps under your own brand. Tap into high-demand markets like lead generation, content creation, and generate recurring revenue without coding, hosting, or development hassle. Scale fast and profit big. Sell niche-specific super apps to local businesses. License apps as subscription services like AI employees. Sell white-labeled apps to agencies, marketers, creators, local business owners. Offer personalized trained co-pilot creation service. Offer AI sales representatives to businesses. Create custom knowledge bases for specialized industries. I hope you are thrilled as I am after seeing the no-code AI apps created in seconds. Now, let's move to the co-pilot section. Here's how you can create and customize your co-pilot step by step. Start with the basics. Click on the Create Trained Copilot button. Update the Copilot profile to match your business needs. Add a profile image, give your Copilot a name, and write a brief description about its purpose. Customize placeholder text, notice messages, and select the language for the Copilot. Adjust its appearance settings, including the theme and color scheme, to align with your brand. Q&A section. Set up a welcome message that will greet users at the start of a conversation. Add a thank you message to display after the conversation ends. Update the FAQ section to provide instant answers to common questions. This feature is unique and versatile. You can use it for your business or offer FAQ creation as a service to your clients. Training your Copilot. Train your Copilot using multiple URLs and PDF files simultaneously. Simply enter the URLs of the content or upload PDF files to teach your Copilot everything it needs to know. Lead integration. Integrate your favorite autoresponder to collect leads directly. Alternatively, collect leads without integrations. Let's select the autoresponder and the list where you want the leads to be stored. Feedback and lead forms. Add a feedback form that will appear after a set time once the conversation ends. Customize the lead form to make it mandatory or optional. If mandatory, users will need to provide their details before starting the conversation. Deployment. Once everything is set, your Copilot is fly. Copy the embed code and deploy it anywhere on websites, inside members' areas, or even within your own products. Congratulations! Your Copilot is now your 24/7 personal AI employee, armed with your custom knowledge to serve users efficiently. And don't worry, you can revisit and customize its settings anytime to fine-tune its performance. This is your chance to make money, build authority in your niche, establish your brand, gain fame and recognition, and ultimately, create your legacy. Let's explore the leads section. Here, you can view all the leads generated through your Copilot. Manage these leads effortlessly. Export them whenever you need for follow-ups or campaigns. Next up is the app response section. In this section, you can check all the responses generated by your apps. Use this data to identify what your customers are searching for. Easily pinpoint your target audience. Now, let's move to visitor feedback. In this section, you can check out all the feedback generated through your Copilot. Review the ratings provided by your users to understand their experience. Use this information to calculate lead scores, helping you identify high-potential leads. Leverage this data for your promotional campaigns. It's even more powerful than smart tagging. Now, let's move to settings. Here, you can manage your workspace, clients, team, white labeling, subscriptions, integrations, watch tutorials, and contact support. Let's dive deeper into two key features: manage clients and white label. Manage clients, adding new clients is a breeze. Just enter the client's name and email, hit the button, and their login details are sent directly to their inbox. Need to update or remove a client? Simply click Edit or Delete. Effortlessly grow your business network with our easy client management system. White label, custom branding is essential for building authority. That's why we let you replace the GPT Apps Engine dashboard logo with your own, plus customize the Copilot footer branding. You can also add a link to the footer logo, redirecting leads to any page or offer you choose. Simply upload your logo in the recommended dimensions, hit save, and watch your branding come to life. Present GPT apps and your very own product. You can even create client accounts with their unique branding, giving you complete control. I hope you're as excited about GPT Apps Engine as I am. This demo only scratches the surface of what's possible. With endless creative potential and a seamless user experience, the future of AI apps is here. See you inside the members area, where innovation meets imagination.